Sure.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Kitty.
Kitty. How are you today, Kitty?
I'm good.
You're good. Very good. So, how old are you?
I'm 10 old.
You're 10 years old. Very good. So, you tell me, what color do you like?
I like blue.
Blue. Okay. What animal do you like?
I like cats
Cat. All right. Why do you like cats?
because they are cute.
They are cute. All right. Now you tell me, where are you from?
I'm from Bình Province.
Binjai province. Okay. How many people are there in your family?
There are 6 people family in my mom, my dad, my sister, my aunt, uncle, my grandma, my grandpa, and me.
So there are 6 people in your family, right? 6, right?
No, 8.
8. Very good job. Okay. Right. So what fruit do you like? What fruit do you like banana, apple? What fruit do you like?
I like berry.
Okay. Strawberry? All right. Very good. Now you tell me, how many rooms are there in your house?
There are in my house
Uh-huh.
in a living room, a bedroom, a dining room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a kids room.
All right. So there are 6 rooms in your house.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So can you tell me, what things are there in your living room?
There is the sofa in the living room.
There is a sofa in your living room, right?
Yes.
Okay. What else? Anything else in your room? In your living room? What else? There is.
The is a sofa.
Sofa and
There's
what else?
and TV and
TV,
an umbrella,
umbrella.
um, clock.
Dog. Okay, very good. So, what things are there in your dining room?
There are in the dining room.
Okay, very good. And what things are there in your bedroom?
Uh, there are sunglasses in the
Sunglasses. All right, sunglasses in your bedroom. Thank you. Very good job. Okay. Now I will show you some picture. Okay. I will show you some pictures. Then you tell me what is picture about. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. Very good job.